Hi everyone, welcome to my channel Initial Solution. In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how to make all cells the same size in Excel. Open an Excel sheet. So let's say I want to make all the cells as the same sizes. So what I do is just select the whole worksheet by clicking on Ctrl A and go to this format option from the cells option and click on row height. I'll make it let's say 10. Click on OK. As you can see, it's changed. Again, click on the format option and column width. Again, I'll write 10. As you can see, now the cells all are the same from the with the same height and width. So this is how you can customize your cell sizes. So hope this video helped you. If it did, then please like, comment and share this video. Subscribe to our channel and don't forget to press the bell icon to get more useful videos like this. Thanks so much for watching, guys. Bye bye.